Hi, I'm Jim. Welcome to our BlindsBox installation guide. Today, we'll guide you through the easy steps to install your new roller blinds. All you'll need, your roller blinds, a few basic tools, and a can-do attitude. Let's get started. Based on our experience, you may need some or all from the below list. A power drill. We recommend cordless, but it's not mandatory. The correct fixings for the surface that the blinds will be installed on. A spirit level, a stud finder, a sturdy step ladder, a pencil, and finally, a buddy to help. Step 1. Bracket installation. There are two key factors in a successful bracket installation. Number 1. Getting the bracket orientation right for face fit or recess fit. And number 2. Lining up each bracket on the correct side. That is, making sure that the chain bracket is installed on the control side as per the original BlindsBox order. Start by installing the chain side bracket. Once that's done, we continue by installing the idle side bracket on the opposite side. Step 2. Hanging the roller blind. Start with the chain side. Slot the tongue of the bracket into the cavity so that it secures well. Please make sure that the chain is pointed downwards. We continue by installing the idle side. Insert the retracted idle into the bracket and then gently twist the cog on the idle to lock the pin into position. Step 3. Test. Operate your chain to ensure smooth and correct operation of your blind. Step 4. Installing the safety lock. This can be installed via either of the two screw positions on the chain lock. Use the one that best avoids twisting the chain. Ensure that you put some tension on the chain, but not too much. The chain should be straight, but spin freely at the same time. Important safety information. If a chain hangs lower than 1600 millimeters from the floor, you must ensure that you install the chain safety lock. This is a legal standard, but we recommend that you always install the chain lock to keep your chain operating optimally. And there you have it. Well done! Your roller blinds are now successfully installed. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our customer support team. Enjoy your new window furnishings from BlindsBox.